Alright guys, I think today I'm going to try to test the AC, see how cold it gets here. Now that I got it ready, let's check the temperature. It is 88 degrees right now. So I got the cords and things that I'm going to use. You notice that's where the cord is, and that's gonna be the little thing with it anyway. So this right here is the converter that I bought. Let's turn it on. There it is. And let's test this AC. See how it works. Okay, it's running, and also that little fridge also. Okay, so I'll be back in a little while, probably an hour, to see how it's doing and testing this new transformer that I bought. It's 5,000 watts, so that should be good enough to hold the watts on the AC and then the fridge, and also it's going to be for the TV also. And this right here is the outlet that goes outside. It has its keys and everything, so we're going to test it out. Right now it's on, running good. Alrighty guys, let's check the temperature inside the room and also the AC. Right now it says 55 on the AC, and let's check it here on the wall. Let's wait till it clears out. It's 69 degrees, and then yeah, 69 degrees. Now some area, as you see, it doesn't have the panels yet, and some part still here doesn't have the insulation yet. So, and also here in the bottom, you see right here, it doesn't have insulation yet, so it's pretty good. Also, the transformer, it is working real good. Hasn't stopped or nothing. That right there is a power surge. So I wanted to put just to be on the safe side. So when I install any other equipment, it won't hurt the other equipment either. So I feel happy about it. Real good. Real cool. So we don't gonna have no problem. Oh, also the fridge, man, it feels good. Yes, I can feel the ice. Thank you. See that right there? It is icy right there already. Oh yeah. Look at that inside there. It's getting icy right here already. So the fridge is working awesome. Thank you, Lauren. Everything's working just fine. Soon I will have the whole countertop built, so it's going to come all the way down to right here, to this section here. So we could have a good sized countertop to cook and to do whatever we need to do in there. Alright guys, this is it for today. Just want to give you guys an update on what I did today with the AC.